In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use shared drives in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have uploaded files to a shared drive and added the right people with the correct access so your team can work from the same location. First, open shared drives. On the left side of Google Drive, click Shared Drives to switch from your personal My Drive to the shared area. You'll see a list of shared spaces you have access to. Next, select Drive. Click the shared drive you want to work in. Take a moment to confirm the drive name at the top so you're placing files in the correct location. Everything you add here is owned by the shared drive, not by your personal account, which is ideal for team access. Now, click New, then Upload Files. In the top left of the drive, select the New button and choose File Upload to add files from your computer. And now it's in the file picker, select the files you want to share and click Open. You'll see an upload progress indicator in the bottom right. Wait until each file shows as completed. If a file with the same name already exists, Google Drive will prompt you. Choose the action you intend, and if you're unsure, cancel and verify before replacing anything. Once the progress indicators finish, your files are safely stored in the shared drive and available to its members. Next, click Manage Members. At the top of the shared drive window, open the Manage Members option. This is where you control who can access the shared drive and what they can do with its content. Changes here affect access to all files in the shared drive, so it's worth setting the right level. Now, add email. In the field provided, type the email address of the person you want to give access to. Make sure there are no typos, as access is tied to the exact email address. If you need to add more than one person, you can add them one at a time the same way. Next, set role, viewer, or editor. Use the role drop-down to choose the appropriate permission for this person. Viewer lets them open and read files without making changes. Editor allows them to create, upload, and edit files within the shared drive. If you're unsure which to choose, start with Viewer to prevent accidental edits and adjust later if needed. You can always return to Manage Members to change roles at any time. Finally, click Done. This saves the membership and sends the access invitation. You'll return to the shared drive, and the person you added will now be able to open it with the permissions you set. If they already had access, their role is updated immediately. At this point, you've opened shared drives, selected the correct shared drive, uploaded your files, managed members, added the right email, set the appropriate role, and confirmed the changes. Your shared drive is now set up, your files are in place, and your team's access is working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.